Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's find the hotspot toggle. So, let's see, maybe it's disabled. Nope, it just looks like it's not. Oh wait, no, never mind, it is here, I'm just blind. So let's get back to here, and once you find the hotspot toggle, in relatively normal time, unlike me, you can tap on it to enable it right away. But you can also, I believe, hold it. Should be able to. Nope, never mind. So we need to go into the settings to actually check what the password is, because the password is some randomly generated one. So let's look. Tethering error. Okay, that's interesting. So we're looking for more, and then tethering and portable hotspot, and from here portable Wi-Fi hotspot settings, where we should have somewhere, there we go, configure, which allows us to actually, number one, see the password that is set by default, and also change it if we don't want it. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. That can be letters or numbers. At what point you will be able to save it. You can also change the name of the network right here if you want to. And if we scroll down, I believe we have any options. Nope, that's basically all the options that we have. So let's select save, and now you actually know the name of the network and the password. So again, you can find the toggle right here and tap on it to turn it on, tap on it again to turn it off. So there we go. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.